Ukrainian SBU drones attacked the Russian Borisov military airfield in Voronezh region. Warehouses with cockpits, parking lots for SU-35 and SU-34 aircraft, huge KAB bombs, and aviation fuel storage facilities were hit. The Russians reported air defense activity, numerous drone flights, and explosions at the airfield, where satellites recorded 4 fires. Russia uses the airbase to strike Ukrainian territories with KABs. Last night, Russians complained on social media about the work of Russian air defense. Large numbers of drones flying over, powerful explosions and fire in the area of the airfield. Satellite monitoring recorded 4 hotbeds of fires on the territory of Borisov. Another Nepali in the Russian army. Papendro from Nepal, judging by the video, is happy about his fate. However, not all Russians are happy with such volunteers. In the comments, Russians call Papendro a monkey and worry that people like him will stay in Russia.
Brother, where are you from?
Wow, my name is Opendreed. Good, America, good, America, good.
On the front line, the censored. These are the fighters we have on the front line. They send their regards to our fellow Russians.
I am from Nepal.
Good luck, to be continued.
Yesterday, Putin met with the head of Russian energy minister and his relative Sergei Tsivilev. Officially, they discussed summer power cuts in the Russian south. However, several Russian telegram channels wrote that the real focus of their meeting was deprivatization of the Russian fuel and energy complex and creating a state corporation with Lukoil, Rosneft, and Rosneftgaz. Today, Peskov did not deny or confirm these reports. "I have nothing to say on this matter," he told journalists. Putin has already nationalized several Russian companies, including foreign ones that decided to leave Russia after the full-scale invasion. Putin wants to keep key Russian economic sectors under his full control.
Down south, we're going to prepare for the summer season to prevent these situations from happening again. Have the temperature patterns changed? Yes, and they're changing every year. So we have to stay ahead, raising the bar of predicted temperature patterns.
Ukrainian military industry is gaining momentum. Our new ballistic missile has successfully passed flight tests. Everyone can see how effective our Neptune missiles are. We are producing artillery Bodana howitzers at a rate of 15 units monthly, and sometimes as many as 20. A new repair base has been established in Ukraine for our equipment, and in particular, the first Marder infantry fighting vehicle repaired in Ukraine rolled off the production line in June of this year, Zelensky said. Ukraine plans to increase production of drones, long-range weapons, and ballistic missiles in 2025, according to Defense Minister Rustem Umerov. He stated that $4 billion has already been invested in Ukrainian industry, with plans to boost funding next year, prioritizing the development of domestic drones and long-range weaponry. American company AeroVironment has signed an agreement with a Ukrainian firm to localize the production of the Switchblade 600 drones in Ukraine. The contract was made at the DFNC-2 International Defense Industry Forum in Kyiv. BAE Systems plans to service and localize the production of M777 lightweight towed 155mm howitzers in Ukraine, according to the company's director, Central and Eastern Europe, Christian Sear, on the sidelines of the Defense Industry Forum in Kyiv. The Czech holding CSG has signed 2 agreements with the Ukrainian defense industry to produce 155mm shells. One agreement involves the supply of components, while the other pertains to licensing production. Preparation for manufacturing is already underway, with production set to begin in early 2025. Plans include producing approximately 100,000 155mm shells in 2025 and over 300,000 in 2026, with some shells being produced in Czechia. Additionally, CSG aims to manufacture spare parts for armored vehicles in Ukraine. The Franco-German defense group KNDS has opened a subsidiary in Kyiv, KNDS Ukraine LLC, to enhance cooperation with Ukraine's government and armaments industry. The subsidiary aims to enable Ukrainian industry to maintain and repair KNDS systems, including Leopard tanks and Caesar artillery. They also plan to jointly manufacture 155mm artillery shells and spare parts. Russian Member of Parliament Vitaly Milanov rejoiced at the prospect of moving to a new Russian car, Lada Ora, which, according to him, is better and more comfortable than Western cars. He called Western vehicles a decrepit nag of Western production.
It's like, driving an old horse of Western production isn't interesting. Lada Vesta is better, more comfortable in my opinion, and what they tell us about America. There might even be cooler Russian ones, Lada Ora. Honestly, I've never seen one in my life, but I bet it's a bomb. If there was a chance, I'd buy a Lada Ora because I had a Vesta, and it served me faithfully for 6 or 7 years. The Ora, of course, I'd even choose for myself. Would drive to Donbass in a Lada Ora. That would be cool. I'd love to drive it. But I don't know how much it will cost. Yeah, and have you tried driving our legendary machine, the Ora? No, it's big. I don't like it. I've never driven a Maybach or anything like that in my life, so I'm somehow a modest person. Yeah, I like being not modest. I drove a Lada Granta and I liked it.
Russia hit Kharkiv with KAB bombs again. A residential building was hit. The building and vehicles outside are on fire. 8 people reported injured so far, including a 3-year-old child. There might still be people under the debris. How has this become Ukrainian daily reality? And for the end, the moment of the Houthi kamikaze sea drone attack on the British oil tanker Cordelia Moon in the Red Sea.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.